Hey guys, I made a cinematic montage with LTX 2.3 without me writing a single prompt. Let's have a look.
You should not have come here. Turn back before it is too late.
Alright guys, back to another LTX 2.3 tutorials, and this tutorial I will show you how can you animate any images without even writing a prompt. And best of all, you can run LTX 2.3, these video models on any devices, even your phone. And this is the skills I developed called LTX 2.3 Image Animator. And just to prove this is not a clickbait, as you guys can see, I just upload a single image and then the prompt has been written without me typing a single line of prompt. And it's fully automated. As you guys can see in here, that's all the footages are very usable, as you guys see in the beginning of this video. So this skill is completely free and you can find the download link under the description, and you don't need a Claude subscription to use it. It's completely free. All right, I'll show you guys how. So this is the file. Once you download it, you should get a .skill file. But what's even better is you don't need the Claude. You can even use this skill for other large language model like Claude or GPT. You just upload this file and ask your large language model to study it. For the demonstration, I'm going to show you guys how to do it in the Claude. So first come to Claude.ai and then come here, this customization, click on that. And then there's a skills, and then you just add skills, upload the skills. And so now we upload Image Animator skills, and now this skills have been loaded. So after you load the skills, just come to a new chat window, just do a slash LTX Image Animator and just send. And he says no image has been found. So now we need to upload the image. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to use this image. So all the image I use for this montage was created by Claude 2. I think is the best image generation model right now in the market. If you're interested to find out how I made these images, I have a dedicated videos I posted 2 days ago, which is Claude 2 prompting made easy. You can check out this video right there. So now we upload this image. We don't need to say anything at all. We just hit send. And now the Claude is rating the skills and then he's find out what to do. So that is it. Now you have it, guys. So it's already, the prompt has been written for you. And now it's next step, we're going to go generate a video. And today's video gonna make everybody happy because I'm gonna cover 1.2GP, ComfyUI, and for those people who doesn't have computer hardware, also the cloud solutions. So I get everybody covered. Just be patient with me. I'm gonna go through it one by one. So first, let's come to 1.2GP. Upload the same images, and now I copy the prompt and I paste the prompt and generate video and soundtrack based on text prompt and choose 1080p. This is the best quality. Now we'll come to MISC tab and change the frame rate to 30 seconds. This is the best quality you can get on 1.2GP. And then let's make it 8 seconds and just hit generate. And that's it. While waiting for this video to be generated, let me show you guys the ComfyUI and the cloud solution. I've deployed LTX 2.3 workflow in the cloud in this website. I will leave link in the description. So you just click on launch on cloud and this ComfyUI workflow just loaded. All right, this is the ComfyUI workflow I deployed for you guys in the cloud. So you guys does not need to install any of this. You can just upload an image and write a prompt and hit run. All right, and let's do it now. So now I uploaded this image And the next step is you have to come here to change the video settings. All right, so that's when you type your resolution. So for demonstration purposes, we're just gonna do a 720p, all right, because it's quicker. So first I need to change my width to 1280 and the height to 720. All right, and then the lens, let's just make it 8 seconds and 24 frames per second. That's okay. Now we'll come to Claude again and copy the prompt, and then we paste the prompt. And after that, that's it, you're done. You don't need to, if you zoom out, you can see all sort of stuff. You don't need to do any of this. You just need to do that, and then you hit run. And now you wait. And this is exactly like ComfyUI, and you're gonna start loading soon about all the models. So before I made this video, I actually did a test run, and it works great. And this is 720p. Only take 3 minutes to generate for 10 seconds. Now you can see this bar is moving, and now we just wait. Right, now back to 12GP. The video is generated and takes 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Let's put it onto the full screen and then just hit play. That is very, very good, guys. The quality, the result, I'm very happy with it. So that is the power of this workflow, this automation. It's you do not need to type any prompt. And this kind of thing is really good for music videos, B-rolls, like any kind of materials, does not need position control and works really well for artistic images. And now let's come back to the Claude ComfyUI. And just by the way, guys, if you want to run this locally, you can just click here, export workflow, and then you will get a workflow, and then just drag this into your ComfyUI and you can run it. But I feel like most people you running ComfyUI, you already have your own LTX 2.3 workflows. So pretty much you just need my Claude skills and help you to run a prompt, and then you set your resolutions, and then off you go. All right. So in the end of the day, everyone's happy. Everyone gets what they wanted. While we're waiting for it to generate, let's come back to the slide, see if we covered everything. So yeah, zero prompting. We did that. The Claude skills, I showed you guys how to do it, and runs on anything, even your phone, which you can use this Claude platforms. And I will leave the link of the workflow in the description. And I covered this kind of workflow is best for B-roll, but not limited to B-rolls, because the skills have all the knowledge, and you can actually even do the dialogue, talking heads, whatever. The skills will get you covered. And last but not least, I will including all the resources in the description in my Patreon, free access for anyone. And okay, so now the ComfyUI version of image has generated. All right, guys, so this is 720p, and are you guys ready? Let's go. Oh, that's still really good. That's still really good. And consider you can use it completely for free. I think this is a big winner. And total runtime, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good time. So after you test it, and if you're happy with the result, you need like professional productions. Let's just bump everything into 1080p, and then you can run it again. I think I actually prefer the motion of the ComfyUI version more than 12GP, but 12GP does have a better quality. 12GP is my go-to. This 12GP DSTL 1.1 offers 8 out of 10 quality, but with the fastest time. If you guys haven't tried out 12GP, I have a lot of 12GP tutorials in my channel. You guys should definitely check it out. So I covered all the points. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video, and happy creating.